Wednesday has been bullish so far in nat gas, but it is worth noting that we are a little overdone at this point, so you have to be cautious. I would be a buyer of dips, not necessarily trying to get overly aggressive. The $2.50 level holding that support so far is a good sign, and I think that will continue to at least give a little bit of confidence in this market. I currently hold natural gas in an ETF, and it's not levered, so I haven't been overly concerned. Granted, I did take profit in some of the position, but at this point, I think you really need to see a little bit of a pullback in order to find enough value to get long. After all, I don't know that I would be a buyer here. I wouldn't be a seller, don't get me wrong, but you somewhat need to see a little bit of a pullback in order to have more room to run to the upside. $3 should be a major resistance barrier, and that's assuming that we can get anywhere near there, which is not something that I would expect. Although, full disclosure, I didn't think we'd get above $2.50 this early either. So with that, I think this is a market that's only one way, but I want to find some value before I add to the UNG position that I have at the moment. As far as CFD trading, you can do it, but you need to do it with a small position just because of the massive amount of volatility that natural gas tends to have. Furthermore, you need to pay attention to swap. I don't know what your broker charges or doesn't charge, so that of course comes into the picture as well.